In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Webflow API tokens. To begin, log into your Webflow dashboard and make sure you are on the main area where your projects are listed. This is where you'll find the specific site you want to work with. Take a moment to identify the correct project card, especially if you manage multiple sites, because the token you create will be tied to that project. Settings. Once you've found the right project, click the three-dot icon next to the site name. This opens a drop-down menu with additional options. From that menu, select Site Settings. This will take you into the backend settings area for that specific Webflow project, where you can manage integrations and access controls. Inside the Site Settings area, look over to the left-hand sidebar and scroll down until you see Apps and Integrations. Click on that section to continue. This is where Webflow groups together the tools, connections, and developer access options related to your site. After the page opens, scroll down to the bottom until you reach the API Access section. This is the area used for creating tokens that allow external tools or custom workflows to connect to your Webflow project. If you don't immediately see it, just keep scrolling carefully until the section appears. When you are ready, click the Generate API Token button. This will open the token configuration window, where you'll define the basic setup before Webflow creates the key for you. Next, enter a name for the token. Choose a clear, unique label between 4 and 80 characters. It's a good idea to use a descriptive name that tells you exactly what the token is for, such as the tool, workflow, or integration it will be connected to. This makes token management much easier later, especially if you create more than one. After naming it, set the granular scopes for the token. In other words, choose the permissions this token should have. Webflow lets you toggle access rights across different parts of its APIs, including CMS, assets, forms, and e-commerce. Depending on your use case, you may only need read-only access, or you may need both read and write permissions. A helpful best practice is to grant only the access that's actually required, so your integration stays as secure as possible. Finally, click Generate Token. Webflow will show the token on screen one time only, so copy it immediately and store it somewhere secure, such as a password manager or another protected credential storage system. If you lose it, you may need to generate a new one rather than viewing the same key again. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.